In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin header in Wix Studio. Pinning your header keeps your navigation and branding visible at the top of the page while visitors scroll, which improves usability and helps people move around your site without having to scroll back up. In Wix Studio, this behavior is handled through a simple setting called a scroll effect, and you can set it up in just a moment. Start in your Wix Studio editor with the page open where you want the header to stay in place. Click directly on the header area at the top of the canvas. You'll know it's selected when you see the header's bounding box and the header label. If you accidentally click a logo or a menu inside the header, just click again on an empty spot within the header until the whole header is highlighted. Selecting the correct element is important, because the setting we're about to change only appears when the header itself is selected. With the header selected, look to the inspector pane on the right side of the editor. The inspector dynamically shows settings for whatever you have selected, and for the header it includes layout, design, and behavior controls. This is where you manage how the header behaves as the page scrolls. If you're seeing options for a text box or a menu, that means the header isn't selected yet. Click the header again, and the inspector will update. Find the scroll effect control in the inspector and change it to freeze. Freeze tells Wix Studio to keep the header fixed at the top of the viewport as the user scrolls the page content beneath it. Right under that, set the overlap option to next section. Overlap determines how the content below the header relates to it as the page moves. Choosing next section lets the first section of your page slide underneath the fixed header for a clean, professional look. If your header has a solid background color, the overlap will appear seamless. If it's transparent, you'll see the content pass beneath it, which can be a nice stylistic choice. That's it. Your header is now pinned. This small adjustment makes navigation consistent and keeps key actions in reach at all times. A few quick tips to make the most of it. Keep your header height reasonable so it doesn't cover too much of the screen. Ensure text and icons have strong contrast for readability. And consider how overlapping interacts with any hero images or videos at the top of your page. And there you go. With a single change in the inspector, setting the scroll effect to freeze and the overlap to next section, you've pinned your header in Wix Studio. That's all.